How to fix Roblox application encountered an unrecoverable error. In most cases, the problem is related to cached files and site data for the Roblox app. First, we'll be deleting the site data for Roblox.com. For that, you have to click on the three-dot icon on the top right and then head to Settings. On the left side of the tab, you have to head to Privacy and Security. Here, you'll be able to see Site Settings. Once you get here, you have to scroll down. Then under Content, you'll be able to see Cookies and Site Data. Once you get here, you again have to scroll down. Then click on See All Site Data and Permissions. Now look for the Roblox domain. Then right beside it, you'll be able to see the delete icon. Go ahead and clear the site data for this one. Once that is done, moving on, you want to click on your Windows and the letter R on your keyboard. Go ahead and type in %, app data and %. These are all of the cached files. You want to locate Roblox and delete that folder. Then head to app data at the top, then select the local folder. Now again locate Roblox and make sure that you delete it. Now we'll be uninstalling Roblox from our PC. So look for Roblox. Here you'll see the uninstall button, or what else you can do is do a right click and you get the same option here. Finally, you want to come to a web browser and open Roblox. Then log into your account and try opening a game. Once you do that, this pop-up will appear on your screen. All you need to do is download and install Roblox, then direct open it on your computer. That should now fix the unrecoverable error. Hope I was able to help you out. Thank you for watching.